Hello children, welcome to second video of my body and my senses. In first video we have seen few body parts and studied their functions. Now in second video we will continue with the rest of the body parts. What do you see in the picture children? It's a leg. How many legs we have? We have 2 legs. Touch your legs. Good. Now what do you see in the picture? It's a knee. Why knee is required? If we had no knee, we won't be able to bend our legs, we won't be able to sit down, we won't be able to run. So knees are very important parts of our body. What is this children? This is a foot. 1 foot, 2 feet. It's not foots. So 1 foot and 2 feet. We have how many feet? We have 2 feet. What are these? These are not fingers, these are toes. How many toes we have? We have 10 toes. Understood children? These 2 are feet and these are 10 toes. What are these children? These are your nails. On 10 fingers and 10 toes we have nails. They help to protect our fingers and toes. Now let's see what are our sense organs. Children, what do you understand by sense organ? Now, if we close our eyes, we won't be able to see. Can you see with closed eyes? No. If we had no ears, we won't be able to listen to the music or to the sound of vehicles or birds chirping. If we don't have tongue, then even if we eat food, we won't be able to taste whether it is salty, it is spicy or it is sweet. So, sense organs help us to sense different things in the environment. I repeat, sense organs help us to sense different things around us. So, let us see how many sense organs are there and what are their uses. Total, there are 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs. Let us see. What do you see in the picture children? Correct. These are our eyes. What is the use of our eyes? Come on everybody, close your eyes like this. Put your hands. Now are you able to see anything? Now if you open your eyes, take off your hands. Now you are able to see. So what is the use of our eyes? We can see different things. We can see different colors, we can identify different colors, we can see whether the things are near you or far from you with the help of your eyes. What is this? This is a nose. What is the use of a nose? Correct children. Nose helps us to smell, whether good or bad, both the smells. So if you are going to a garden, there are many plants and there are flowers blooming in the garden and you get nice smell and you feel very fresh. But sometimes you are going on the road and there is a garbage can. So what happens? You immediately put your hand like this because that's a bad smell. You don't want to smell that smell. Understood? So nose helps us to smell good smell, bad smell. Also nose helps us to breathe. Understood children? Ears. What is the use of ears? We hear different types of sounds with our ears, whether it is a pleasant sound or it is an unpleasant sound. What is a pleasant sound? Soft music or chirping of birds, that's a pleasant sound. But if there are crackers bursting, what we do? We immediately put our hands on our ears because we don't want to hear that sound. So that is called as unpleasant sound. So ears help us to hear pleasant sounds and unpleasant sounds. Now what is this children? This is the tongue. We have one tongue. And what is the function of the tongue? The tongue helps us to taste different things. Like you can differentiate, like ice cream is sweet, chocolate is sweet, lemon is sour, then chilies are spicy. How do you come to know all these things? With the help of your tongue. So tongue is very important sense organ. Now what is this? It's a hand, but I want to show you the skin. So skin is all over our body. And what is the use of the skin? It helps us to find out or identify different surfaces. Suppose like the road is rough, but your dress is soft. Correct, children? Your skin is soft. Then we can say, how is the ice? Ice is very cold. And sometimes your mummy gets you very hot milk, then you say, Mama, it's very hot. How do you come to know it's hot, it's cold, or it's rough, it's smooth, or if you put your hand by mistakenly on the gum, it's sticky? How do you find out? With the help of your skin. So how many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. How many sense organs are there? There are 5 sense organs. And which are they? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Repeat after me. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Understood, children? That's all for today, children. I hope you understood all the videos. There is one more video on sense organs and my body that I will send you next day. Thank you. Stay tuned.